Today, we're diving into the powerhouse that is the Corsair HX1500i fully modular ultra-low noise ATX digital power supply. With its sleek design and impressive features, this PSU is a game-changer for any PC enthusiast or builder. Let's start with its fully modular cabling system, allowing you to connect only the cables you need, resulting in a clean and tidy build every time. But what really sets this power supply apart is its triple EPS 12V connectors, ensuring compatibility with even the most modern motherboards on the market. Equipped with a 140mm fluid dynamic bearing (FDB) fan, the HX1500i delivers exceptional cooling performance while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. Plus, with Corsair's powerful ICE software, you have complete control over your power settings, including the ability to create custom fan curves and toggle between single to multi-rail overcurrent protection on the fly. And let's not forget about the 0 RPM fan mode, which kicks in at low to medium loads, providing near-silent operation when you need it most. With an output wattage of 1580 plus platinum efficiency, the HX1500i ensures reliable and efficient power delivery to your system, whether you're gaming, streaming, or tackling heavy workloads. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best-in-class power supply that offers unparalleled performance, quiet operation, and advanced customization options, look no further than the Corsair HX1500i. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.